Hey everyone, this is Hit back again with a brand new video, and today we're going to be discussing how I made $1,100 in 5 minutes trading stock options. If you're new here, thanks for tuning in. My name is Hit. I'm a day trader, and I like to preface by saying I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Everything I say and do is for entertainment purposes only. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So today we're going to be discussing a trade that I took, trading ticker symbol SPX, and right here we have the chart. SPX 500 USD, the source is Owanda. This is a free copy version of ES, something that I use when trading SPY or SPX, futures or options. This is the 15-minute time frame, which is what I like to use intraday. It removes and blocks out a lot of noise. But we're going to be going over a scalp that I took, and when scalping, I do use the 3 and 5 minute time frame. The first thing that we want to make sure is that we have all of our levels charted. I'm going to be making a video about that coming out soon, how I draw my own support and resistance levels. But the first thing we want to make sure is that we have all of our levels charted. Once that's done, we can then go and turn on our indicator Bankai. I have a video explaining how to use this indicator, what its purposes are. So this is my setup right here. This is what I had today, intraday. During London session, we had started this downtrend, which we respected a majority throughout the day. And so I ended up drawing a trend line to give us that visual representation of the downtrend that we're in. Now in Discord, we did trade puts and we made a lot of profit off of that, which is really good. But we're going to be going over some calls that I took, and I ended up making some decent coin pretty quickly. Though I prefer to use the 15-minute time frame when I'm scalping, I will go down onto lower time frames like the 3-minute and 5-minute. We're here on the 3-minute time frame, and we see that we did get this breakout of our downtrend of this trend line. And so what I was looking for was continuation. I was leaning a little bit bullish, especially because we did get a candle close above breaking out of this trend line on the 15-minute time frame. So all I was looking for was some continuation. We see here that we formed a green 8 and 9, letting us know that we may see a reversal to the upside. We also formed and printed a long signal, letting us know we may be able to enter into a long position, as well as the fact that once we actually broke out, we're now trading above all of our EMA clouds, specifically the 3450. And when looking on the 5-minute time frame as well, we see the same thing. We ended up printing a green 8 and 9, letting us know that we may get that reversal to the upside, as well as we did print a long signal. We were trading above the EMA, so this is very bullish. This is looking good for us. Back on the 3-minute time frame, we see that we were getting that trend that we were looking for. We had continuous candle closes above our levels, continuing this uptrend, which is good. We continue this move up. Again, along the way, we printed our green 8 and we printed our green 9, as well as our long signal. We're now trading above the EMA clouds, which is really good. This is a bullish setup. And so what I was anticipating was that we're eventually going to see a little pullback to this trend line, maybe to the EMA cloud, before continuing this move up, which is exactly what happens. I entered into some SPX calls with a strike of 39.60 and a premium of 0.85. So this matches my criteria perfectly. I like to trade contracts that are about $1 in premium, and this is right below it. So this fits my criteria because I'm able to load up multiple contracts. I ended up entering into the position at 13.23. I ended up buying 10 contracts, which is $850. And within 5 minutes, those contracts were up 130%, which is beautiful. So now I'm going to break down a little bit as to what I was seeing when I was actually in the trade. Again, we're in this trade with 10 contracts. We entered right here on this candle, on this pullback, we entered. And immediately we ended up breaking out. We pushed above our level, 39.24. So what does this tell us? This tells us we're likely going to head to our next level, to our next upper level, which is 39.31. And that's exactly what happened. We got a beautiful push up. Once we tested this level, I ended up closing my position. Now, why did I not hold on or anything like that? Because this was my price target. This level is telling me that once we touch 39.31, we're likely going to see a reaction. Since we're coming up and since this level is acting as resistance, we're likely going to see a rejection. So I ended up closing my position right here as soon as we got a touch of this level. And again, our contracts were up 130%, which is beautiful. A lot of people will struggle to make that kind of profit. And we just did it in 5 minutes simply by using candle closes, by using our levels, as well as by using this Bankai indicator. Please note, check this out. Bankai literally told us that we're likely going to see a reversal. This is on the 3-minute. We ended up printing a red 8 and 9, letting us know that we may see a reversal to the downside, which is what happened. So this is a very quick trade, something that anyone can do. This is not advanced. This is not ICT. This is not Wyckoff. This is not Elliott Wave. This is straightforward, using candle closes, using levels, and using Bankai as guidance. Everyone can do this. Everyone can learn this. It's not too difficult. So this is free game. This is free juice for everyone. I want everyone to succeed. So again, I bought 10 calls, 10 contracts at 0.85, and I ended up closing at 1.95, which is 130% in profit, which is beautiful. That's amazing. This took me 5 minutes. A 7-point move, a move from 39.24 to 39.31 is 130%. I do trade 0 DTE, which not everyone likes, but for me, I love trading 0 DTE. We're able to make a lot of money quick, and that's what I like to do. I like to make money every day. In summary, this is a really quick scalp. It took me 5 minutes. I ended up getting in and out. I entered at 13.23. I ended up getting out at like 13.29. So that it was really quick. And again, using candle closes, using our levels, using this indicator Bankai, which is free, by the way. Bankai is free for everyone to use on TradingView. All you have to do is type in Bankai and you'll have access to it. This is how I made 130% profit. This is how I made $1,100 in 5 minutes, which for me, that's a good day, especially with the way price action has been lately in the market that we're in. For us to be able to make that amount of profit is something that's truly great. And I hope this video helped. If you want to join us, you can join our free Discord at discord.gg/hittrading. The link will also be in the description. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section below, or you can hit me up on Twitter at hittrades. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment, share this video with any trader, anyone that you think will find this useful. And thank you guys. I really appreciate you guys if you made it to the end. And until next time, let's keep on banking.